Why is my AC making strange noises? Is your AC making loud banging, rattling, or buzzing sounds? That's a sign something isn't right. Hi, I'm Dustin Hupsey with 1 Hour Air Conditioning and Heating of Fort Worth. Strange noises can mean loose parts, clogged airways, or even a failing motor. Ignoring these sounds could turn a small issue into a major breakdown. If your AC is making unusual noises, don't wait until it stops working. Schedule a checkup now. Call 469-908-2070 or visit onehourairfortworth.com and we'll get your system running smoothly again.